Welcome to another exciting guide where we'll explore the amazing world of wrist wonders. Our wrists are often overlooked when it comes to fitness, but they play a crucial role in many activities we do every day. Whether you want to improve your performance in sports, prevent injuries, or simply have stronger and more flexible wrists, we have got you covered. Wrist exercises are not only beneficial for athletes, they are important for everyone, regardless of age or fitness level. They can help increase wrist mobility, improve grip strength, and provide relief from ailments like carpal tunnel syndrome and arthritis. One of the best ways to start your journey towards strong and flexible wrists is through flexibility training. This involves performing exercises that focus on stretching the muscles and tendons around the wrist joint. Simple stretches such as wrist circles, where you gently rotate your wrists in a circular motion, can go a long way in increasing flexibility. Once you have developed good flexibility, it's time to move on to a strong wrists workout. Strengthening exercises help build the muscles and ligaments around the wrist joint, providing stability and preventing injuries. Here are some exercises you can try. 1. Wrist curls. Hold a lightweight dumbbell in your hand, palm facing up. Slowly curl your wrist upwards towards your forearm, then lower it back down. Repeat for a few sets on each hand. 2. Thumb push-ups. Get into a standard push-up position, but instead of supporting yourself with your palms, use your fists, with your thumbs pointing up. Lower yourself down, and push back up using your wrists and knuckles. This exercise targets the muscles responsible for wrist extension. 3. Plank with wrist rotations. Get into a plank position, resting on your forearms. Slowly rotate your wrists one at a time, alternating between clockwise and counterclockwise rotations. This exercise helps improve wrist stability and builds muscular endurance. In addition to these exercises, incorporating wrist mobility drills into your routine is a fantastic way to maintain healthy wrist joints. These drills involve moving your wrists through various ranges of motion, promoting increased flexibility and preventing stiffness. Remember, it's important to start slowly and gradually increase the intensity of the exercises. Listen to your body and stop if you feel any pain or discomfort. If you have any pre-existing wrist conditions or injuries, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise program. So, let's give our wrists the attention they deserve. By incorporating these wrist exercises, flexibility training, and wrist mobility drills into your fitness routine, you'll be well on your way to wrist wonders, strong, flexible, and healthy wrists.